If you chose a weight and it's too heavy, what might start to happen is posture will start to go out. You might not have the muscle strength in order to get that kettlebell up in the air, or you might be suffering from little bits of niggles here and there. If the weight is too light for you, you might find that you haven't got the resistance there in order to work with to get the kettlebell up in the air. But you don't necessarily have to lift heavy in order to get results, because the whole body is utilised in order to do one movement. For example, a swing, you've got to keep nice and stable onto the floor, and the core is used to keep yourself balanced. So remember, it's really, really important to select the right weight and making sure that the posture is the #1 thing. It's great for back rehabilitation and things like that, but if you haven't selected the right weight or it's too heavy, it's going to work against you rather than making it better.